Do you really need fancy tools to succeed on YouTube? The answer might surprise you. In this video, we're talking Vidiq and Tubebuddy, two popular tools to help you boost your YouTube success. We'll compare their features, discuss their pros and cons, and reveal if YouTube's own tools might just be all you need, especially if you're just starting out and looking to save money. Let's get started. So we have Vidiq. That focuses on providing insights that help you understand how your videos perform. It offers features like views per hour, which shows how many people watch your video each hour, and tag suggestions, which help you choose the right tags to improve your video's visibility in search results. Vidiq also gives you detailed reports on your video's engagement, helping you understand what's working and what's not. Tubebuddy, on the other hand, comes with a set of tools designed for optimizing video content and channel management. It offers keyword research tools to help find high-performing keywords and suggests SEO strategies to improve your video rankings. Tubebuddy also has unique features like thumbnail A/B testing, where you can test different thumbnails to see which one attracts more viewers, and a robust comment management system that helps you keep track of viewer interactions. Both tools are designed with the goal of making YouTube analytics easy to understand and use, so creators can focus more on creating content rather than worrying about optimization. They offer both free and paid plans, providing options for creators at different stages of their YouTube journey. The perceived benefits include saving time, improving video reach, and ultimately gaining more subscribers and views through optimized content and better channel management strategies. Let's compare Vidiq to Tubebuddy. Keyword research effectiveness. Vidiq is often praised for its comprehensive keyword research tools, similar to those used in SEO software like Ahrefs or Ubersuggest. It provides detailed insights into keyword popularity and competition, making it easier for creators to find relevant keywords. Tubebuddy, while also offering keyword research tools, generally requires more manual effort to explore related keywords, which some users find less convenient. Video optimization capabilities. Both Vidiq and Tubebuddy offer tools aimed at improving the SEO of your videos. Vidiq provides a range of keyword suggestions that can be easily added to your video tags, descriptions, and titles to help enhance your SEO. Tubebuddy also offers keyword suggestions with SEO scores and allows for optimization directly through its interface. But Vidiq generally leads with more streamlined optimization features. What about the user interface and ease of use? So, Vidiq boasts a user-friendly interface that integrates smoothly with YouTube, making it easy for creators to access analytics and insights directly. Its layout is straightforward, allowing new users to navigate easily without feeling overwhelmed. Tubebuddy also offers a range of tools, but users often mention that its interface can be cluttered and less intuitive, particularly for those new to YouTube optimization. Both Vidiq and Tubebuddy have user-friendly apps. They keep the competition tight by having the same 5 million downloads on the Google Play Store. However, Vidiq is rated with a 4.5-star rating, while Tubebuddy has only 3.3 stars. Unique features and pricing. Both tools have unique features. For example, Vidiq offers views per hour, which helps identify trending videos, while Tubebuddy's standout feature is its A/B testing for thumbnails, which can significantly enhance click-through rates. In terms of pricing, Tubebuddy generally provides a more budget-friendly option with its lower-tier plans, making it accessible for creators who are just starting out and are sensitive to cost. Vidiq and Tubebuddy offer a free 7-day trial with access to most features. I am putting the links in the description so you can try them out and choose your favorite. Share your experience in the comments section. But before you sign up for a paid tool, let's use our tool, Honesty, and have a good understanding on the limitations of these paid softwares. Some users feel that both Vidiq and Tubebuddy place too much emphasis on data and analytics. This focus can lead creators to prioritize numbers over the quality and creativity of their content. To get fans who stick around, you gotta make stuff that's interesting and new. But focusing too much on numbers might make your content less fun to come up with. Another thing is the effectiveness of their keyword research tools. Although both platforms provide keyword research capabilities, some users question the accuracy and usefulness of the data provided. Vidiq's keyword tools are sometimes seen as more comprehensive, but users have reported that the suggested keywords don't always lead to increased views or engagement. Similarly, Tubebuddy's keyword suggestions are useful, but users have noted that checking related keywords can be inconvenient and the data isn't always reliable. Users have also expressed concerns about the overall analytical approaches of Vidiq and Tubebuddy. Some find the analytics too complex or feel that they don't offer enough actionable insights. Others have mentioned that the tools can be slow to update and may not reflect the most current YouTube trends or algorithm changes, which can hinder the ability to respond quickly to changing viewer preferences. Overall, while both tools offer valuable features, creators should balance the use of these analytics with a focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with their audience. Now back to our first question. Do you really need all these paid tools? YouTube itself provides a robust set of tools and analytics that can be incredibly powerful for new creators. This often makes external tools like Vidiq or Tubebuddy less necessary. YouTube's analytics dashboard gives creators complete insights into how their videos perform. Features like YouTube autofill help in discovering popular search terms directly from the YouTube search bar, which is crucial for understanding what viewers are interested in. Additionally, the Keywords Everywhere tool integrates with YouTube to provide real-time search volume data, helping creators to spot high-demand topics without leaving the YouTube site. The key is to directly learn from YouTube. There is immense value in learning to interpret YouTube's built-in analytics, such as engagement graphs and comment analysis. Engagement diagrams allow creators to see exactly when viewers stop watching their videos, which can be critical for improving content. Comment analysis helps creators understand viewer feedback directly, providing authentic responses that are not filtered through an algorithm. This direct feedback can guide content adjustments more effectively than generalized data insights. Tools like Vidiq and Tubebuddy offer shortcuts to video optimization. There is no substitute for developing a strong YouTube instinct. This involves understanding your audience deeply, recognizing trends from your engagement metrics, and creating content that resonates on a more personal level. By relying on YouTube's native tools and your observations, you can develop a strong sense of what works for your channel, leading to more organic growth and a dedicated viewer base. Now, what if numbers and analytics isn't your cup of tea, and you don't want to get bogged down in data? Well, for that, paid tools like Vidiq or Tubebuddy can be a big help in understanding your audience. Alternatively, you can outsource analytics and SEO to a data expert, setting you free to focus on your creative vision and build a thriving channel. Plenty of YouTubers have found success by focusing on what they are good at, creating engaging content even without understanding YouTube analytics. So, we've explored the features, benefits, and limitations of two popular YouTube tools, Vidiq or Tubebuddy. Here's a summary of our discussion and why you might not need these tools after all. Vidiq and Tubebuddy offer various features that assist with keyword research, video optimization, and analytics. Despite their usefulness, both tools have limitations, such as focusing on too much data, which might distract from content quality. YouTube's own tools provide comprehensive insights that are accessible and free, making external tools less necessary for new creators. While Vidiq and Tubebuddy have useful aspects, YouTube's built-in tools are often more than adequate, especially for those just starting their YouTube journey. YouTube provides detailed analytics, engagement diagrams, and keyword suggestions through features like YouTube autofill and Keywords Everywhere, which are essential for growing your channel. Focus your efforts on creating high-quality content that engages and entertains your audience. This is much more impactful than any tool could ever be. Utilize YouTube's free resources to analyze audience behavior and tailor your content to meet their preferences and needs. Engage actively with your viewers through comments and community posts to build a loyal audience and enhance your channel's community feel. By prioritizing content quality and audience engagement over external analytics tools, you can use YouTube's own resources to grow your channel effectively and authentically. If you're not a data guy, Vidiq and Tubebuddy can be a big help, or you can outsource it to an expert. Remember, the best tool you have is your creativity and connection with your audience. Let's leverage that and grow together on YouTube. If you watched till here, let me know by giving the video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Good luck with your YouTube journey.